Basically, there's a police outside of my house. I don't know what's going on. Guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. So today is the day we're about to start packing up and get ready to move. I just took my nails off. You guys saw them in the last vlog at the end. I did my nails so pretty, but I had to take them off because we are about to start moving and packing up today, and I don't want my nails to come off, and they wasn't like real nails, if you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying? They were like press on, but I did them really, really good, so some people couldn't tell. But don't worry, honey, because I'll be putting them back on once I'm good and fresh and ready to go when I get back in my house and when I get in a new house. So yeah, you know. Anyways, guys, I did damage my nails a little bit because normally I don't rip my nails off. I let them soak in water or 100% acetone and they just come right off. But today I was in a hurry. I had stuff to do. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into this vlog. Alright, guys, so I got me a meal from Hardee's. I got the fries, chicken tenders, and there's a cookie somewhere. And then of course, hold on, I got some lemonade. So I'm about to eat and get started. So, you guys, there's a police outside of my house. I don't know what's going on. I'm about to see what's going on. I'm on the phone. I'm on the phone with my friend, and I'm trying to see what's going on. Basically, there's police outside. I don't know. This is crazy, bro. This shit is crazy. Inform y'all, this is what happens when people try to be rude and ignorant and nasty. So I'm not gonna tell y'all the full story. I'm sorry, I can't, it's my mom's business. I can't tell y'all, but I'm gonna tell y'all as much as I can possibly tell y'all. So basically, somebody called the police on us and tried to be nasty and tried to be ignorant and tried to get our cars, because we got like 4 cars in the yard. And like out of 4 of them, like 3 of them work. I think 1 don't work, the truck don't work. But everything's paid for. Mind you, let me just say that every car out there is paid for. Some ignorant person tried to call the police on us. And then some other person came over here with a tow truck and tried to tow our cars. But let me tell you how good God is. Let me tell you what happens when you pray, get on your knees every day and pray to God. The police is on our side. Everybody's on our side. So, nobody went to jail. Ain't nothing go wrong. It's just that we're about to move and get away because these ignorant people, let me tell you, Albany, this town right here, this city right here, it's something crazy. It's something serious. But just know nothing crazy went on with us. We alright. It's just some ignorant person called the police on us and then called a tow truck company trying to tow our cars when every last car is paid for, honey. Every last car is paid for. Every last truck out there. Every vehicle out there is paid for. Oh, you trying to... No. And that's what happens when you're ignorant. But luckily, everything's fine. Nothing happened to us. We didn't get a car taken away, a truck taken away. Police was on our side, so we won. It is the next day, and yes, I still have the same thing because I've been working all night. I'm so freaking tired. I'm just ready to move. So it is the next day, and this is how my room looks. My sister did everything for me, basically. Only thing I have to do is get everything out of here and sweep one more good time. We already swept in here once, but we got to get the trash up that's left in here. Let me show you guys. But everything is pretty much done. My sister cleaned and packed everything up, and I'm so happy because if you don't know, I'm lazy. I was gonna do it, but I would have never done it this fast. I would have still been cleaning up and trying to get this stuff up. But she works faster than me, so she said she was gonna volunteer to help me, and so she did just that by packing and cleaning everything up. It is the next day. No, it's the same day. Sorry. And I'm in Walmart. So yeah. So we're in here looking around. We're about to get some stuff out of the house. So yeah. So yeah. So we're about to get some stuff for our house. Kind of hard to vlog and hold the thing. But yeah. So we're doing like a follow me around. I read a YouTube video where it says like, don't be shy to vlog in public. So I'm like, yeah. Because people are going to look regardless. So yeah. Here I am, not shy, vlogging in public. So yeah, we're in Walmart and we're about to look for a few things. What you trying to get? Ooh, yeah. Hi, Mom. Oh, we're leaving, guys. You wouldn't even think about your purse. I got your purse. What shoe? Oh, I thought you said it ain't in there. I'm at my sister's house. We're about to get things going. We're about to start moving things. Well, not me. You guys, I feel disgusting. I'm in the same clothes for like twice in a row. And that's because my sister, let me come over here because they playing music. I'm at my sister's house. I'm watching my nieces back there. And I'm watching my other little niece. So I have to kind of be quiet because she's in their sleep. But I'm watching the kids while my sister and my brother girlfriends and my mom and everybody's helping moving. I personally cannot move. She said, hey. She said, watch our YouTube video. I'm trying to be quiet because the baby's asleep in the living room. So basically what's going on is, I'm trying to explain quick because my phone is about to go dead. But basically, I'm not going to vlog us moving. I wanted to. I'm sorry. I'm in clothes that I've been in yesterday because my sister packed up literally all my clothes. It's real. She sealed and taped up my whole box with my clothes in it. So I'm looking ugly, but I gotta deal with it. It just, I gotta deal with it. But don't worry, tonight I'll take me a long bath, honey. I'm getting me a bubble bath, honey, tonight. Long overdue. Anyways, y'all, so it's fine. It's whatever. It's life. It's stuff happened. But basically, we're moving. We're trying to get things ready. Like I said, I can't move because I cannot be able to fall and break a bone because my bones are very, very fragile. And basically, I cannot do it. So my mom will not let me move anything. I tried to help her. She will not let me do anything. I just have to stay out the way. So I'm over here watching the kids. Let me show you guys the baby. She's on my phone. Izzy.
Who is phone Nettie?
My old. Say hey. Say hi.
What is the case?
Say hi.
Where's
Say
the
hi.
case?
Say hi. Say hi. No.
What is the case?
It's at home. Say hi, Israel. Say hi. He's watching TV. Well, he's watching a music singing. He's trying to get his way. There she is. Sleeping away. We gotta keep her sleeping. So I know the lighting is really, really bad. It's really bad lighting, but there's a lot going on, you guys. So I'm just trying to keep you guys updated every time I need to, or every time something happens. But yeah, you guys, it's crazy. It's a lot of bad news and a lot of good news. So we just trying to keep it together. Let me tell you something. Moving is hectic. Yeah, it is. So it's just like, oh my god. But we're keeping it together. We're fine. Everything is fine. It's just that, you know, you just have to take one step at a time and make sure we're getting everything. My mom went to the U-Haul place earlier, and the U-Haul place, they didn't have no more U-Hauls. I'm like, how you run out of U-Haul? Like, anyway. So we find other people, you know, trucks and stuff like that until we be able to move. So anything else, I will keep you guys updated. Until then, I'll see you guys in a minute. One more upstairs. I'm about to go check on her. See what she's doing.
Did it hurt?
Huh? She said she'll do it.
Yeah, I got it.
What? Yeah. It's bright in here. These lights bright. Alright guys, so this is my room. Get ready for a room tour when I get done decorating it. Oh yes, I have a closet. Okay, I have a closet. Y'all know if y'all didn't know, I didn't have a closet in my other room. This time, I have a closet. And I'm so excited about my closet. Come on. Close. I'll do it the right way. Close it. Okay. Yeah, this is my closet. And then my bed. Like, everything. But Leah had it on top of my stuff in my room, though. They must have put it down. It might be in here. But yeah, this is just Halloween stuff, decorations. Oh, yeah, my TV. Everything. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow because I got to charge my phone. My phone's going dead. I just wanted to give you guys an overview of my room. Close the door. Oh wait, let me give you guys an overview. Yeah, it probably be in the house. It's fine. Mama room. put it in the bathroom? Oh, closet. Oh, we put like, oh, mom, we put like rags and like stuff like that in the closet right here. Rags and towels and cleaning products and stuff like that. Yeah, all that mine.
They turn the air off.
They must have probably did. Okay. Yeah. Wash and dry your thing. This is where the wash and dry go. Bathroom. Dining room. Kitchen. Room. Another room. And living room. And that is it, guys. I'm about to go to bed. This is my first night. I'm talking to my best friend. But I'm kind of scared. But yeah. Shut up. Anyway, so I'm kind of scared, guys. And, what? Yay! Really? Alright, bye, guys. Good morning. So, why the lighting red? Anyways, good morning, guys. So, yes, I am here, guys. This is my first morning waking up into the new house. About to make up the bed and stuff like that. This is how the room looks so far. So yeah, you guys, my mom cleaned up the tub this morning. So I'm gonna take me a bath, and I'm so excited. I wanted to take one so bad last night, but she was so tired from moving that she didn't get a chance. Well, she cleaned it out last night, but I think she said she re-cleaned it this morning. So just to make sure that everything is clean before I get in, because I do have sensitive skin and stuff like that. So we gotta make sure everything is bleached down and clean. But anyways, guys, so I'm gonna put you guys back on the charger because my phone is still dead. I put my phone on charger this morning, but I don't know, it wasn't charging. So now I just want to charge it. Now it's charging up now. So I'll put you guys back on the charger, and then once you guys are charged up, I'll probably will bathe, change clothes, and then we're gonna start unpacking things. So that is the go for today. So eating my breakfast. First breakfast in the new house. Got me some orange juice. My sausage biscuit, hash browns. Got the candle going outside. We have yet to put up some blinds or some curtains here. Kitchen. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys my breakfast. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to stop this vlog here and actually do a part 2. So yes, you guys, I will do a part 2 that will go up this Monday and Friday. There will be no vlog on Friday that just left. So that's why, because it's hard for me to try to edit and put this up when we have no Wi-Fi. So yeah, I'm going to try my best to put this vlog up for you guys. Just give me some time, give me some patience, and I'll do it for you guys.